Hi everyone, I'm Dr. Jean Carey Engel and I'm going to be your instructor for our course. Just wanted to say hello and introduce myself. I'm really excited about our course. We get to do a lot of interesting things, and what's really exciting to me about this course is that it's never the same every time I teach it, because the technology changes so much and we have so much available to us as teachers. So if you read my introduction, you know that I was an elementary and middle school teacher for about 15 years, and now I'm here at Bridgewater. I teach in the elementary and early childhood education program. I teach technology classes, intro to elementary ed, and sometimes the child development class as well. I love it here at Bridgewater. It's been a great transition for me and for my family, and I'm originally from Boston, so it's great to be home as well. So let's talk a little bit about the class. The way I structure it is that every week I will open up new material for you. I'll be doing that on Sunday night, and you'll see what's due, what are the deliverables, what are the things that I want you to be reading. We'll be reading Blended Learning in Action and following through with that book and discussing that during our time. You'll see that the syllabus is pretty detailed, I will say, but I also think it needs a little explanation. So one of the things you're going to see in the Welcome Center is a screencast-o-matic, just like this, that's going to just review the syllabus. I'm super easy to get a hold of through email or by remind. So the very first thing you're going to see on the Welcome Center is a remind link, and that's a great app. Just download it, or if you don't have enough room on your phone or something and you want to just use the website, you can use that as well. I like it a lot. I used it as a teacher, but I also use it as a professor because it's a great way to let my students know things and get information out to them very quickly. People use it in schools a lot, and I think parents, it's a great way to connect with parents because, we don't all read our email all the time, and but we do tend to look at our phones. So that's, I hope you'll use it, and I hope you'll like it. There's other apps like that available, but it's just the one that I choose. The way I approach this class is that this is very much a hands-on class. So the idea would be that we're going to be trying out things together as we go through. One of the things that you're going to notice is that there is one sort of in-person opportunity to work together. On August 2nd, there is a Codeorg session that is available down in Rhode Island for free, which is pretty amazing. I'm going to be sending you information about that so that if you'd like to sign up for it, you can. There's no obligation with the class or anything. I'm going to sign up for it. My coding skills are rudimentary at best. I know the research behind it, and I've seen it work great with kids, but it's something that I'd like to get more skill at for sure. So if you think you'd like to learn more about coding, Code.org is a great thing. It offers a full curriculum to teachers, and it's free for teachers and teacher candidates. So that's the class. You'll have several projects. The class discussions that we're going to be having are really at the heart of the class, and that's really what I want us to focus on. You'll hear about that in the syllabus. I'm delighted to be working with you, and I'm more than happy to answer any questions you have or concerns. And I think that's about it. So we'll talk more, and I'm looking forward to seeing your videos and reading your introductions. Take care. We'll talk soon. Bye.